Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Jurassic World Minis Blindbags from Mattel from 2019 to 2021. As you can see, I have the beautiful Parasaurolophus. I have two of them, and the heads can move. And this is also nice to put in your Lego city if you have a dinosaur theme park in your Lego city. And I bought this in 2021 from Toys R Us in Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my email is in a link in the description box below, and also my videos on YouTube, Facebook, and it will also be on Instagram as well. Thank you. Bye.